If you want wealth, respect, confidence, and lots of energy to do something in life, then you need to know deeply about the solar plexus chakra. If the solar plexus chakra is activated, a great deal of energy flows within you. You can easily solve the toughest problems of life. This chakra fills you with so much power that it becomes very easy for you to do the biggest thing in life. You start attracting money and prestige automatically. This is the third video of chakra series. Today I will tell you about solar plexus chakra. It is known as Manipur chakra in Sanskrit. Namaste friends, my name is Chandra. Welcome to my channel Chandra's Life Mantras, where I talk about law of attraction, subconscious mind, chakras, NLP, and many other personal growth topics. If you love watching my videos, please like and share. You are my positive vibe. Please subscribe. Before proceeding with this video, I have a small fun question for you. Let us see how creative you answer this question. If you had the superpower to be invisible for one day, what would you like to do in this one day? I repeat again. What would you do if you were invisible for one day? Many of you must be thinking that how he is asking such a childish question in a video on a serious topic. My only answer to this to you would be never let the child inside you die, because that child is hidden inside you, makes you creative and alive. If you want to know more about this cute child, then click on the I button above and also watch this video. So let us come back to our main topic. Manipur chakra or solar plexus chakra is the third energy center in our body. This chakra is about 2 inches above our navel. Its color is yellow and its seed mantra is Ram. Out of the 5 elements, earth, water, air, fire, and sky, the solar plexus chakra represents fire. Fire gives yellow energy. So this chakra fills us with the energy of self-confidence. The solar plexus chakra looks like a yellow lotus with 10 petals. It rotates clockwise. If we activate this chakra, there is a huge increase in willpower, self-confidence, and wealth. Solar plexus chakra eliminates all your fears. It gives so much energy in you that you find success easily, even in difficult times. With the activation of this chakra, you can achieve any high position. In Hindi astrology, that means Raj Yoga. Manipur chakra is directly related to the sun. This chakra makes us as energetic as the sun. It gives us the power to control your thoughts, feelings, and actions. What happens when solar plexus chakra is imbalanced? The chakra system distributes the flow of energy throughout your astral body. Stress, illness, emotional distress, or conflict can all cause blockages or imbalances in your chakra system. All 7 chakras are intertwined. When one chakra experiences blockage or imbalance, it affects all others. This disruption of energy can afflict your mind, body, and spirit. When the solar plexus chakra is unbalanced, it can bring about a loss of identity as well as a lack of control in your life. Digestive issues arise when the Manipura chakra is out of alignment. This can manifest as improper nutrient processing, constipation, or irritable bowel syndrome, eating disorders, ulcers, diabetes, and problems with the pancreas, liver, and colon are all symptoms of an imbalance in the Manipura chakra's energy center. What happens when solar plexus chakra is underactive? When the Manipura chakra, or you can say solar plexus chakra, is underactive, it means that it has a blockage or is not distributing energy properly, which can have an impact on your overall well-being. When your solar plexus chakra is underactive, you may feel a lack of control and purpose in your life. When the solar plexus chakra becomes blocked, it frequently causes emotional issues ranging from powerlessness to self-doubt. How you will know that your solar plexus chakra is inactive? Your life is going on without any purpose. You have lost of your confidence. You have a low self-esteem. You are not able to take decisions. You feel helpless and powerless. What happens when solar plexus chakra is overactive? When a chakra is overactive, it means it is dispersing too much energy. It is in overdrive and causing imbalance in the chakra. When your solar chakra is overactive, it has an impact on your overall health. Excess of anything is bad. When your solar plexus chakra is overactive, you may experience issues such as wanting to control others and making judgments too harshly. When the solar plexus chakra is overloaded with energy, your system can become overstimulated. You may become especially critical and argumentative. Symptoms of a hyperactive solar plexus chakra. You may try to control others. You are overly critical. You try to point out faults and imperfections in others. You can be overly stubborn. You are not able to control your anger and aggression. You are too judgmental. How to balance the solar plexus chakra? So now let me tell you how to balance the solar plexus chakra. Although there are many ways to balance this chakra, but let me start with the easiest way. As I mentioned earlier, that the Manipura chakra has a direct relation to the sun. The sun is a symbol of energy. That is why we also call it the solar plexus chakra. If you stand for at least 10 to 15 minutes every day in front of the rising sun and let the fresh rays of the sun come on your whole body, then your solar plexus chakra will start to balance. Activate solar plexus with a mantra. There is also a great mantra which is based on solar plexus. Ram. R-A-M. Ram. 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 If you chant this mantra in a meditation pose and imagine on your navel there is a yellow lotus is blooming with 10 petals on your navel area. You can visualize that this bright yellow lotus is rotating clockwise. This meditation has a great power to balance the Manipura chakra or solar plexus chakra. Affirmations. Affirmations. These are some of the affirmations. You should speak them with your full feelings every morning. After getting up in the morning and before going to sleep at night. These affirmations work like miracle in 20 to 30 days. If you want, write them down in your notebook. I give myself permission to be my authentic self. I use my power for good. I'm confident in my ability to success. I forgive myself for past mistakes and I grow from them. I'm motivated to pursue my true purpose. I'm worthy and capable of achieving my dreams. I choose inner peace and satisfaction. Daily, I have high self-esteem and believe I'm valuable. I have a lot to offer the world. I choose the best for myself always. Kapalabhati Pranayam. Kapalabhati Pranayam is a breathing technique that involves activate exhalation and passive inhalation and helps in the correction of the body's low blood circulation. It also helps to de-stress the mind. It increases the capacity and strength of your lungs. Kapalabhati is an amazing way to balance Manipura Chakra. Yoga poses that activate the Manipura Chakra. Paschimottanasana, forward bend. In the classical style, this forward bending asana is extremely beneficial to the digestive system. The improved blood circulation causes this stimulation which restores the best functional capacity to the liver, spleen, pancreas and intestines. Bow pose, Dhanurasana. This back bending asana generates a massive amount of intra-abdominal massage to the digestive system's various organs, particularly the liver and pancreas. This pose stimulates the solar plexus, which helps digestion and the effective elimination of wastes and toxins from the body. Half spinal twist. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. This gentle twisting pose stimulates the digestive system, liver and gallbladder, which improves detoxification and digestion. I hope you liked this video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. So friends, namaste once more. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video with an amazing topic that is gonna be valuable for you, your life.